Hello, lovely people. I welcome you once again to Joe Roots Academy. And in this video, I want to advertise on an incoming training that we are going to organize, we are going to do. And this training is about software development, or let me say programming, computer programming. And when computer programming, you are talking about the laid down rules or laid down structure of developing, used to develop computer applications and other softwares. And if you want to develop a software or an application, you need to know one of the languages or one of the programming languages. So with the programming languages, we have VBA, we have VB.NET, we have Python, we have Java, JavaScript, C#, and so many other languages. So if you want to be a programmer or be a software developer, you need to master one of these languages. So in our training, we are going to base on one of the languages, which is what? VBA. And the full meaning of VBA is Visual Basic for Applications. So this is a Visual Basic, but it is used on other applications, especially office applications like Microsoft Excel, Access, and Word. You use that one for programming on that application. So that's what we are going to do. But people may ask, how can VBA be so useful in developing applications? It is a very useful tool. It's a very useful programming language, and it's very easy to learn. That's why we are starting from there. So as time goes on, we migrate to other programming languages, which is more complex and powerful. But before I end this video, I want to show you some of the applications or some of the softwares I've used VBA to develop. First of all, I want to show you a library software that I developed for a school. So let me open it for you. So this is the interface. So this is the library software. So you just enter your username, then your password, then you log in. So this is the interface. So you can have the buttons here. You can go to all other sections of the software, and everything here was done by or was developed using the VBA programming language. So at the end of this training, you should be able to develop something like this or more complex than this. Okay, so you can just exit this. Okay, let's close this and exit this. And also you can also use this same programming language to develop game. So I have a game here which I developed using the programming language. So let me go there and then show you that game too. So let me go to this side. Okay, so this is the game I'm talking about, and we used VBA to develop this. This is a bow and arrow game. So let me try to play it and see. So we have the medium, the speed. We have the high, and you have the low. So let me use the high, and then let me play, and you see. So now the apple is moving. So I can then shoot. So if you shoot the apple, when it meets it, you see that it have touched or it have hit the target. So this is also a game I've developed, and in fact you can use this same VBA to develop it. You can use this same VBA to develop different softwares like school database, pharmacy management system, so many other applications. Well, this is also a stock inventory management system I've created using VBA programming language. And with this, you can track your records, your sales records, your profits, and others. So this is also a software that you can develop when you learn this training, when you enroll in this training. So I invite every one of you to join this training, and in fact this training is free. We have two sessions. You have the first session, which is the basic, which is free. So as time goes on, then we enter into the advanced. I invite you all to join this training. Even after the basic, you can develop something like this. So let's come together and learn. So I'll end here, and please try to subscribe to this channel for more other tutorials and free training. Thank you all, and have a nice day. Bye bye.